Good morning, students. We are going to learn nutrition in human being. It consists of alimentary canal is basically long tube is extending from the mouth to the anus. This tube has different parts. Various regions are specialized to perform different functions. Means it is a long tube. It consists of various parts like stomach, mouth, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, etc. Here, the through the mouth, food enters, then it goes to the esophagus, then it goes to the stomach, then it goes to the small intestine, then it goes to the large intestine. Like this, it is a long pipe from mouth to the anus. Okay, and the food by peristaltic movement, the food enters. Okay, the alimentary canal is basically long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It tube has a different part. It has a specialized perform different functions also. Okay. Now here one activity he has given. In that there are two test tubes. One ml of starch solution is taken in both the test tubes. Afterwards, 1 ml of saliva is added to the A test tube, and other test tube don't add anything for 20 to 30 minutes. Afterwards, you add a few drops of dilute iodine solution in both the test tube, and one A test tube you are added saliva and starch plus iodine. That's why it does not give the light color it gives. And so B test tube you are adding saliva as well as starch. In B test tube we are added starch and iodine. It gives dark blue color. Means it shows that saliva is present in A test tube. That's why it gives. It does not give the dark blue color because already saliva and saliva it containing salivary amylase. It digests the starch. Starch is a carbohydrate. Okay, because of that it does not give the more positive test, and it gives complete positive test B test tube. Okay, we are taking the food. While crushing of the food in the mouth, then it enter into and wetted in the mouth because of the presence of the saliva. This saliva secreted by salivary gland, and saliva containing enzyme is called salivary amylase. It breaks down the starch, which is a complex molecule, to give simple sugar. When we are taking in the mouth food, here salivary juice is present, and saliva enzyme it combines with the food and it get digested in the mouth. Okay. Let us study about digestion in the stomach. Digestion and stomach in 3 steps. Their stomach is containing gastric gland in the stomach. These hydrochloric acid, protein, digesting enzymes are called pepsin, and mucus is present. Here, the digestion in stomach is taken care by the gastric gland present in the wall of the stomach. These released hydrochloric acid, it releases hydrochloric acid, and protein digesting enzyme is called pepsin and mucus. Okay. Hydrochloric acid creates the acidic media and it facilitates the action of enzyme pepsin. See, when food enter into the stomach, the hydrochloric acid it kills the microbes while entering with the food. Okay, and other function is there is a action on pepsin enzyme. It hydrolyzes the protein. Okay, mucus, the stomach is having our inner cover that is known as mucus. It protects the damaging of the uh, inner lining of the stomach. Okay, the lining of the stomach from the action of the acid under normal condition. Okay, These are the three important points of the stomach.